Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share a very practical video with you guys, just showing different ways that you can create a calming and peaceful environment in your home. These are things that are very practical, things that I try to aim for every single day. I'm definitely not perfect at this by any means. You guys know I'm a mom of 3 boys. My home is in no way, shape, or form peaceful every single day. I aim for it to be, but the reality of it is things get full, things get busy. There's a lot going on, but I wanted to bring you guys with me and just show you very basic things that you can do daily to create a relaxing and just serene environment in your home. Rather that be with a daily routine, with lighting a candle, with turning on lamps, wearing some cozy clothes, lots of different things. But I wanted to take you guys with me and, like I said, just give you some tips on how to create that peaceful, relaxing environment. Today is a very rainy day here, so you're going to be getting lots of cozy rainy day vlog clips as well, which I think really just set the tone too. So anyways, before we get started into the rest of today's video, I do want to thank Costway for sponsoring today's video. Costway is a home goods company that has things for indoor and outdoor of your home. We opted for an item that is specifically for outdoors that we plan to use all summer long and years to come. My boys absolutely love being outside in the summertime, and we love playing in the water, so we opted for this huge inflatable water slide. It does come with a bag, the water hose, and stakes, so that way it can be secured into the ground. And they also sent me this blower as well. This is very heavy duty and again comes with stakes as well. So this is extremely easy to put together. You simply just spread out the bounce house and then you go ahead and connect it to the blower. All you got to do is tie those pieces around the blower to secure it, and that's how your air flows from the blower into the inflatable. These are so convenient. I'm telling you, these are great for all summer long if you're hosting any kind of parties. Typically in the summertime, we like having ours out for Memorial Day. We also like having them out for birthday parties, the 4th of July. You truly cannot go wrong. These are absolutely amazing, and like I said, super easy to put together. You can put together this entire thing within 5 minutes. Once you have everything laid out, go ahead and turn the blower on and simply watch the magic happen. This takes no time for the blower to inflate the water slide, and it is so satisfying to watch as well. So this bounce house does have 2 water slides on either side, and then it does have a little climbing wall in the middle, and then it also has a sprinkler as well. So I'll show you guys how to put all of that together, but once it is inflated, you can also use this without water, which is amazing. So it's kind of like a dual bounce house, if you will. The boys love playing in this either way, with or without water. This particular day when I put it together, it was a little bit cooler, so they just went ahead and bounced on it, went down the slide, and just had a good time. But if you are wanting to add water to this, you simply just attach the hoses to the Velcro pieces, and don't forget to stake the bounce house down in the ground. It does come with a set of stakes for this as well, but this is the hose. It's very simple to put together. Simply just Velcro it to the sprinklers. There are 1 on either side of the slides, and then the red sprinkler on the front, and you're just going to take this little orange piece here and attach it to your hose. This is very user-friendly and something that you can put together, like I said, in no time. So as you can see here, I'm taking the hose and just attaching the Velcro piece to the little sprinkler here, and it does have straps that you can Velcro on the tubing as well, which is super convenient when holding it in place while your little ones are jumping around and bouncing. But this is the boys playing. They absolutely loved it. Barrett was so excited whenever we had this up. This thing is super convenient, like I said, for all the time use. You can even use this in the fall if you wanted to without water. You can get tons of use out of this. So I do have a link down below for you guys, along with a 10% off discount code as well. So be sure to check that out, and don't forget to look at Costway for tons of your home decor needs. And as far as taking this apart, you simply just untie these little areas here, detach it from the blower, and then just watch it deflate. What John and I did was lay it out. Once all the air got out, folded it up, and added it into the bag. One thing I try to be very intentional about is keeping a tidy kitchen. This definitely helps me set the tone for the day, especially right when I wake up. I love to have a fresh slate, so just simply keeping dishes at bay, either loading the dishwasher, washing them by hand, or the ones that are already dry, just going ahead and putting them up truly makes a huge difference. I feel like it makes it easier whenever it's time to cook your meals. That way you already have all of the dishes put away and you know that you can just grab things with ease without trying to scramble and get things how they need to be. Another thing I try to be mindful about is making our beds daily. Jack and Barrett do make their own beds now, but as far as our bedroom, I like to make sure that it is put together as well. Again, just simply coming in here, rather that be getting ready for the day and needing to change clothes, or at the end of the night. I love getting into a freshly made bed. There's just nothing better. Putting laundry away daily is another thing that I have added into my routine that makes things go way smoother. Another practical way to keep your home refreshed is by simply switching around decor or furniture, rather that be adding in a new section to your home or just simply rearranging things that you already have. It just keeps the home feeling refreshed and relaxing. Can't go wrong by lighting a candle. This is a super simple way to automatically just set the tone for a house. It is so relaxing and so cozy, and of course it gives off a wonderful scent as well. Adding different textiles to your home, rather that be blankets, pillows, rugs, any of those things really gets a home feeling relaxing, especially if you can take a good blanket and curl up on the couch, rather that be drinking your coffee, reading a good book, or simply just watching your favorite TV show. I'm all about adding some comfortable clothes to my wardrobe. This is something that honestly gets me super motivated for the day. This spring I have been wearing linen pants with a t-shirt along with a button down or a cardigan, and just throwing on some sandals or tennis shoes. It's been super comfortable, something that I can wear in the house but also go out and about and run errands in. Last but not least, I wanted to mention making wholesome meals at home is another way to incorporate coziness and just meaningful, intentional living, along with moving your body. Getting out, walking, exercising in some form really makes a huge difference in my day. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it gave you tons of inspiration and motivation on how to create a very practical rhythm in your home to keep things feeling cozy, relaxing, and refreshed. Whether that be tidying up your space every day or simply lighting a candle and wearing some comfortable clothes, these are things that I aim for every single day to create a peaceful environment in our space. I hope you guys consider subscribing if you're not already, hit that bell notification, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.